Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. It has a clean Carfax report and comes with auto dimming, power folding, heated mirrors with puddle lamps and signals, running boards, rain guards, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is a fully modern heavy-duty pickup truck with serious strength and a surprisingly refined demeanor. This Silverado has 18-inch chrome wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Silverado is in great condition. It has very clear halogen projector beam headlamps along with fog lights, daytime running lights, parking sensors, and a really nice grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Silverado has 4-wheel drive and is equipped with a 36-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Silverado has only 43,107 miles on it. At the back of the Silverado, you can see the cargo lamp, the sliding rear window, and the remote locking tailgate with tailgate assist, along with the tow package, the corner step bumper, large brake lights, and sleek badging. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Silverado has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seatback storage pockets. These seats fold up, and there are child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed, with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable, heated and cooled leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Silverado is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and OnStar. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the driver's seat memory, the power door locks, and the power windows with express down. This Silverado has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.